During this time, you may find that you need to make a backup copy of your course. To do this, you will locate the administration block in your course and click on Backup. From this page, you will leave all of the default settings as they are and simply scroll to the bottom and click Jump to Final Step. When the backup has been created, you will see this screen. Please note that depending on your internet connection, the backup may take longer or shorter. Click Continue. On this page is your user private backup area. You can tell when your most recent download was by looking at the date and time. To save this to your computer for safekeeping, click Download. If you need to restore a course backup into a course of your own, you will go to the administration block and click on Restore. In this area, you will click on Choose a File. Click Choose File again and locate the course backup on your computer. Click on Upload this file, and then you will click Restore. The initial page on the screen shows what is being pulled into your course. From the backup file, you will scroll to the bottom and click. In this area, you will see options to restore into this course. If you have things in the course that you don't want overwritten, select Merge Backup into this course. If you'd like to start over fresh with all of the content from your backup file and remove anything that currently exists in the course, select Delete the contents of this course and then Restore. Click Continue. On the following page, you will leave the default settings alone, scroll to the bottom and click Next. On the course settings page, you will leave the defaults alone, scroll to the bottom and click Next. On the review page, you will scroll to the bottom, and again, you will click Perform Restore. As always, questions can be directed to us through the SUNY Delhi Help Desk at helpdesk@delhi.edu or by phone at 607-746-4835.